to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. All right, so today I want to teach you a 736 chord 251 in the key of C. All right, so we've done a lot, but I want to just show you this one also. So all right, so let's get to the keys and see what we have here. God bless you. So this chord sounds so sweet, and I recommend it for everyone. So the key of C has all white keys. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. All right, so we have a C. So our 7 is B, 3 is E, 6 A, D2, G5, 1, then F4. All right, so the 7 chord goes like this. So we have, so I'll just call the numbers so you can take this to other keys. So we have a 7, sharp 11, then we have a 13 on left, on right we have a 9, sharp 11, 13, and then flat 9. So that's our 7. So do, ti. Okay, so our 3 chord for our 3. So that's, so on 7, so you play this chord. Yeah. So some people might call it upper structure, but yeah, that's what I've choose to call it. So we have a, on 3 we have a 3 and 9 on left. Then on right I have your 2 diminished 7 chord. So whatever key I just played the 2 major 2 diminished 7 chord. So in this case is D. These are 2, so D diminished chord. So for 6 we have on left we have a 6 3 5. On right we have a 1 3 5 7. So together do, ti, mi, la. So 2 chord. I'm doing a rootless 2. So we have a sharp 5, and then sharp 11 on left. On right we have a 7 3, and then sharp 5. So that's for 2 chord. So it's a rootless chord. Then 5 is a 5 and 11 on left. On right you have a flattened 7th, 9, 11, and 13. So 5. So then 1 chord. We have a 1 on your left. On right you have a B. We have a flattened 7th. We have a flattened 9. We have a 3, and then we have a 13. So then to 4. We have a 4 1 4. On right we have a 6 1 3 5. So it sounds I wasn't actually singing any direct song. Yeah. Okay, let me sing my song. Just one. As the deep panted for the water, so my soul longed after. Yeah. God bless you. Please click this like button on this video. Please do me that favor by clicking it, and also click the subscribe button also. God bless you. I'll see you in my next video.